Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, including news the Fonterra dairy auction has seen a large retracement in pricing. Overall prices are down 7.3% in US dollars, down 8.1% in New Zealand dollars, led by milk powders, which fell 10% from the last auction. The fall snaps a run of 9 straight auctions that were higher, and it is the largest decline since mid-April 2012. Prices are still very elevated, however, and this change only takes them back to where they were at the end of March. The US Fed has said they will push ahead with their $85 billion per month bond buying program and said unemployment and inflation will determine whether to raise or lower that level. They also said fiscal austerity is making their job harder. Oil, gold and the Dow fell following the Fed announcement. Though American manufacturing expanded at its slowest pace this year, that has not stopped car makers there having their best sales month in 6 years in April. Growth in China's manufacturing sector also slowed in April as new export orders fell, raising fresh doubts about the strength of their economy after a disappointing first quarter. The official PMI fell to 50.6 in April from an 11-month high in March of 50.9. Analysts had expected the April PMI to be 51. The pullback on the official PMI mirrored a similar decline in a preliminary HSBC PMI last week, suggesting China's export engine faces headwinds from the Eurozone recession and sluggish growth in the US. British PMI data out overnight was better than expected, but manufacturing there is still contracting. However, it was enough to lift the British currency. In Australia, they're facing further budget woes, this time due to the sinking carbon price, which is the basis of their ETS. They will have to find another $3 billion, either in savings or new taxes, to plug that new hole. Today, all eyes will be on the New Zealand unemployment data out at 10:45 this morning, and overseas the focus shifts to the ECB, and markets are expecting them to cut rates tomorrow. The Kiwi dollar starts today sharply lower at 85 US cents, 82.7 Aussie cents, and our TWI is at 78. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.